Is it good? Cause you tan it up.
I don't know much of it. That's like you already know. It's Lulu.
Good morning.
It's Lulu. Yes, honey. Just like you act worse. She a fighter. She a fighter.
Yeah, I better leave my baby alone.
No, she fights real hard. Yeah, she fights hard. Even if and she don't stop. She don't care if she gets a little tap or nothing. She don't care.
She don't play with me like that.
They don't play with me.
Got a little brunch date with Nene today.
It's a beautiful day out here.
Yeah, the weather's nice. Gotta face something. Baby loves. Yeah, so.
Everybody texting me like, we need 7 pictures as soon as the baby get here. But I never send pictures immediately. I always wait for a couple days. I just don't believe I'm supposed to send pictures of my baby to the house. On the same day she was so like,
I don't know, I always send pictures.
I mean, for like family and stuff, yeah. Oh, but you sent me to anybody.
Yeah, and I post them too. I post save them when you first got
that's
mine.
true. That is true. I'm a little more private than you.
Got the water heater secured. Just gotta scrap it down some more. Got a long ride. I don't want to. Nah, I ain't go nowhere. Okay, bro. You just can't help but to do something gay every time the camera comes on.
You work Monday as well?
Yeah, I got this little arcade game back here too.
Maybe this one, but I'm gonna let you know.
What you got us games? We got games. Oh. So we replaced you. We replaced the president with you. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy, bro. Call him and tell him to come back. Call the president and tell him to come back.
You don't want to come back. You need some help. What's up, y'all? So I took his camera because he was filming the vlog, but he was sitting here struggling the whole time, putting this little bitty thing together. And it's crooked. And it's crooked.
Like that.
This is a clear example of quality over quantity. When you buy cheap shit, you get cheap results.
Nah, you just need to keep your fucking hands off of it.
And then you trying to blame me for breaking. Look at me. Do I look like I break shit? Do I look like I break shit?
Wow.
Do I look like I break shit?
Yeah.
I do?
Yeah.
I'd have snatched that bridge out your And here come Don De Niro. With the help.
You got time sideways? What it was in there?
Even the black guys call them black, they want to blame me. That bitch was not even my fault.
Stand up.
Tay was lost yesterday. She told me, I've been hearing that all day. It's a stand up.
Not I've been hearing that all day. Such a girl. Such a girl, bro. Such a girl.
Damn. Damn.
What you doing? Tighten it up? Yeah. It was inside of there, bro.
That shit was cheap, bro.
Oh yeah, you know, cheap ass nigga. See what type of supply we got? Walmart brand.
Great value.
She didn't even know what we talking about.
It ain't doing it, brother. You sure that was right there? It was. Yeah, go. Can you go down?
Maybe you need to like stick.
Was it on top?
Like get that bitch.
You know, I've seen you way too much. I'm tired.
Wow. I used to care what people thought. I got baby Junior back here for help me put the water heater together. I almost just got on his ass. I almost just beat his ass up back here. Asking me about some shit I ain't got that he's supposed to have because he do this type of stuff.
But where it come from?
He left it over here. So what I need to do, put it in my toolbox?
You know what I need, though?
What? What? A mop? Why you taking that off?
Huh?
Why you taking that off?
We're gonna need this for new.
It ain't got now? I could have sworn I had one. Let me go see.
Like, you gotta have it, by code, you gotta have that little floater. We only did an inch, but you really supposed to be down here.
Don't be goddamn talking about what I ain't got on my live, on my vlog like that, boy. Try to get me shut down, twin. Huh?
We still going the right way.
Out with the old and with the new, yeah, man. Well, there you are. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. Professional. Mr. Professional.
I really do it because I talk to myself a lot when I be out. I don't really got friends like that.
Yes,
So I
you
be
do.
talking to myself a lot.
You make friends everywhere you go.
I do. Bro, I got so many Mustang friends now. I don't even know half of them.
What you think about a bike? You still gonna get a bike?
Not right now. Right now I got a bigger goal in mind, so I'm shitting the fucking focusing on making content and just doing better. And right now I'm not trying to spend money, or I'm not going to spend money on things I don't need to spend money on right now. I must say something.
Yellow stain I put up, and the pink, and the white one's got pink.
That red and black on white be so hard.
That's actually pink.
That's what it is.
Typical stain activity.
I'm trying to see. I think it's this one.
So like I said, I had made a spot for them, and the spot is now taken up.
Stained up.
But hey, we fuck with that anyway. One stain. We just had them park on the other side. For sure.
So my video would take forever to upload, and it would get done when they get done tattooing. Calypso, how was your day?
I had a good day. I was coughing and acting, but I had a good day.
Boy, you look swole as hell on that camera real fast.
You don't see the material strong.
Boy, you don't get your goddamn.
You saw how she was throwing the lips at you.
Yeah, she was sure enough thought about what.
It was strong.
Yeah, your ass
Working
going
out
to
again.
your ass going to jail.
No, what?
Fucking with me.
I survived in jail.
Fucking with me, you're going to jail. Okay?
Where am I going to jail?
Hey, I'm calling the cops. I'm calling the proper authorities. You know?
Talk.
Hey, as long as I got my hands. As long as I got my hands, bro, I'm dialing.
Pointing hard as fuck.
I'm dialing.
Who didn't see you?
I'll never get caught going to jail. I don't do illegal shit.
Fucking with me is gonna be some illegal shit.
That escalated very quickly.
I gotta find me something to eat, then I'm going to the gym.
What's something to eat?
No, I've been talking about that shit for the last hour.
Yeah, you must be hungry. Did you eat before you got here?
No.
How was you?
Me and Nene went to go get some, we went to get Starbucks earlier. It was like probably about 1,
Starbucks is
2
not
o'clock.
food.
It's not.
It's not. It's styrofoam 3D printed bread.
Is it for real?
No?
It might be, ain't it?
You know Campbell's soup? They say they meat in their soup is 3D printed.
The Campbell's?
Yes.
Yo, I saw that. You heard there's like human meat at McDonald's?
I'm sorry?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard that before.
Yeah.
Yeah. They say Burger King is for you.
Hey, have y'all ever thought about us being in the Matrix in real life?
I I think about that shit all the time. Have you seen? Yo, what is that one?
You know your screen's black?
Oh shit.
You know you in my fucking business.
That's in your business.
Not your fucking business, say.
Hey, can you break 100?
Can I break 100? I'm like a broke motherfucker to you.
So you break 100.
I can break 1,000 if you got it.
Yeah.
I'm just playing. Let me see what I got. Let me see what I got, cuz. What you need?
I need to pay you.
I know what you need.
Let me figure it out. You said for every 100 is 30 and every 50 is 15.
Yeah.
So,
Is it 45?
huh?
Did you charge them 150?
No, I charged her 180. But she tipped me, so does the tip count?
No.
The tip is yours.
So then,
You charged her 180?
I'm about to ask GPT.
Yeah, because I don't know what you take out of that 40.
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
So I know it's 45 and then 30% out of 40.
I should have just done
So
it
you
for
give
on
them
myself.
66.
66
Sorry,
dollars.
56.
$56.
54.
50.
$54.
That's such a weird ass number.
I know, right? It's weird as hell.
'Cause
So
I
you
gave
need out of
36.
100. So what I owe you? 40. Hold on. 46.
45?
What you give me?
No, wait,
55?
you said 54?
Yes.
So,
46.
46, yeah.
I actually paid you $3 extra, but that's
So I owe you
that's
$3?
that's your payback
Gas money.
for when I keep stealing your ones.
What I owe her? 43. What I owe you? $44?
44.
Yo, Alex might be up here tomorrow.
He getting tattooed?
Man?
Oh, and
no, our friend's getting tattooed.
Hmm.
His first tat.
Hey, but make sure you put 56 in the POS. Put it in there as
Okay.
cash and keep your receipt.
Okay, bad. Oh, yeah. You look like an hour away, don't you?
Hour and a half.
Well, how far do you live from the country shop?
Like 8 minutes.
Damn.
Right.
Damn.
Fuck. Did I just fucking do that?
What you do?
I mixed all the money up. I mixed all the fucking money up.
All of it.
How much money you gave me?
I gave you $36.
$36.
So I can tell you 3 extra. But you
Girl.
don't say
Hold on, I put it
it's
so.
when I be stealing your spare change.
I gotta add this shit up. So you gave me 36 plus 56.
Because I realized I made you some of my shit.
I'm sad. We haven't said Gabriel.
Yeah. I thought she was bullshitting.
Yeah, I did too.
And I'm like, why she grabbing her
Hi.
shit?
Silly.
Because that's my last day. She picked up her sign and said, okay, she probably not going to put the sign on her. Then she's gone. So who's next? Is it me? I think it's me.